Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. If you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I talk about remote job opportunities. So if you are out there looking for a remote job no matter your home country, this is the right channel for you. Also, I talk about other methods to make money online. If this is your area of interest, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to me. So in today's video, I will be reviewing 3 companies which are currently hiring. So if this is what you want to see, I will advise you see this video until the end. And with that being said, let us get into the video. The first company we are looking at is called Contra. This company is looking to hire someone to help create engaging and interesting content for TikTok. They consult for a large drink company in the health and wellness market, and they want someone to create 3 to 5 videos per week. If you are a content creator and are already making content for brands, this might be a great fit for you. If you are good at following trends and creating engaging content, you can apply below. The second company we'll be looking at right now is called BBE Marketing. They provide products and services to help businesses connect with celebrities and influencers. BBE Marketing is seeking a content researcher to help them in building their databases, data architectures, and pipelines that make power their business. In this role, you will be collaborating with other research engineers to research data and verify data in their database. In order to be considered for this role, you will need to take the attention to detail test that is sent to you upon applying. You will research contact information utilizing different tools, create and manage guides for different tasks, create and optimize processes for different tasks, verify and perform quality control on the data in their database, collaborate with other members in meeting goals. You will love this role if you are competitive, you have excellent time management skills, you have a very strong attention to detail, you have strong organizing skills, you have strong communication skills, you have strong writing abilities, you have the ability to work effectively within a team, you have a strong work ethic, you take initiative, you give honest feedback and also take honest feedback, you take ownership and come up with ideas to improve their company, you are thoughtful and clear in your writing, you have a strong problem solving skill and critical thinking abilities. The pay and compensation for this job is $7 to $10 per hour. So find out about this job from the link in the description below. Hey there, before I continue with the video, kindly note that I am not a financial expert. I am just sharing this video for educational purpose only. So make double research of every company that I make review of. Also, if you are looking for an online side hustle where you can make money such as this one and this one and this one, check out my video description to get more information. Now let us go back into the video. The third company we'll be looking at is called Native Camp. Native Camp is one of the largest English schools and one of the best online tutoring schools in Japan. Teachers are from all over the world, spreading their knowledge and experience with students. Lessons are provided via a unique language platform developed by their company. They are looking for an online teacher, and these are the requirements to apply for this job: English proficiency, laptop or PC with webcam, headset with microphone, stable internet connection and speed, quiet environment and plain background. Application process is English proficiency test, system check and demo lesson. Now start teaching.